Hey, peace. Welcome back to another episode of the Money Codes. And as you can see on the screen, I have the website pulled up for PenFed Credit Union. And what I want to do today is I want to give you guys an overview of what this credit union has to offer. And PenFed is one of the credit unions that was mentioned for quite a while, but I'm just not coming around to do a video on it. And I want to give you my take on whether or not this is a credit union you need to have on your radar. Is it something that you can probably skip? Without wasting any time, let's just jump right in. I want to go over a few of their credit card products. I want to go over their checking account as well as their savings accounts because it is very competitive. Let's check out some of their credit offerings, and then we're going to decide, is PenFed a legitimate credit union that needs to be on your radar? So the first thing I want to mention with PenFed, when you compare it to other credit unions, this is probably the easiest and simplest credit union that I was able to join. With other credit unions, you're going to either have to do like a workaround. If you're not like military affiliated, you're going to have to pay some nonprofit organization, get approved, and then find a way, like a backdoor way, to gain access to the credit union. With PenFed, you don't have to do any of that. The only thing that I had to do to join PenFed was click this button here that says Join Now. You see here it says membership in 3 easy steps. Step 1, eligibility. Good news, PenFed membership is open to everyone, including you. So you do not have to be military affiliated. If you are military affiliated, you're actually going to be able to get some bonus perks, and I'm going to touch on that in a second. Step 2, we're going to provide our information, and then step 3, all we have to do to create a PenFed account is to fund our savings account with $5. And then that's it. We are in the door. So once you're ready to sign up, you're going to hit this blue button right here, become a member today. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to put in all of your basic information. On the next step, they're going to ask you to link another bank account that you already have, and you're going to take those funds, you're going to fund PenFed, and then within a matter of minutes, you're going to get a congratulations email that says you have been approved. It's literally that simple. It took me 5 minutes, probably less, in order to go from start to finish. Unlike other credit unions, you don't have to wait 5 to 7 business days for somebody to approve you. This was literally in a matter of minutes. I was in the door. Some people are going to ask, are they going to check systems? The answer to that is yes, they are going to check systems. And some people have said, they mentioned before, that PenFed is going to do a hard inquiry just to become a member. There was absolutely no hard inquiry for me in order to join PenFed. Maybe that may be different for other people. For me, I was able to join, no hard inquiry, literally in under 5 minutes, and then I was good to go. Something else that you may want to keep in mind is that I've seen several people be able to not only join PenFed, but to be able to get qualified for a few of their credit products when they were recently discharged out of bankruptcy. So if you are somebody that went through the bankruptcy process, you are discharged, even if it's several months. There are case studies, there are examples out there that do show that you are able to start applying for credit card products if you have been recently discharged out of bankruptcy. So now let's go back to the home page. I want to check out the checking and savings. So as we check out the checking page, you're going to see that there are 2 options. You have the free checking on the left, you have the Access America on the right. The only thing that you need to do in order to qualify for this free checking is you're going to have to put in $25 in the account in order to open up this free checking account. So you can see here, no monthly fees, no minimum balance, free checking built for the way you live. Just fund it with $25 and you're good to go. On the right side, the Access America, you can see this one, the difference between the two is earn up to 11 times the national average on your funds with direct deposit. Click Learn More, earn 0.15 APY on balances less than 20,000 and earn 0.35 APY on balances between 20,000 up to 50,000. There are some online and virtual banks that will be able to beat this. The fact that there are physical branches, the fact that there are, I believe, over 85,000 ATMs that you can actually withdraw and do business with for free without any of the fees. When you factor all of that into the equation, this makes PenFed a very solid credit union if you're looking to sign up with one. Now, to avoid paying any fees with this Access America checking account, you can do it either 2 ways. You can have a direct deposit set up for $500 or more, or you can make sure to maintain a daily balance of at least $500 or more, and that way you can get all the perks of the competitive APY without having to spend any monthly fee. So next, I want to check out the personal loans. Rates as low as 4.99 APR, check your rate without affecting your credit score. This is something that I thought was very cool. If you click on check your rate, and I'm going to go ahead and log in just so you can see what I'm talking about here. So boom, so once I hit that button, you can see it took me to another page. And remember, you have to have a PenFed account in order to see this. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to see this page that I'm looking at. You see here, it says, hi Joel, please verify the information below to quickly see your loan options. Seeing your loan options will not affect your credit score. So on this page, you're going to be able to put in your personal information. You're going to be able to input the requested amount, how much you're looking for that loan, whether it be $600 up to $50,000. Once you hit submit, you're going to be able to see what you're going to be pre-qualified for the stated income loan. And the best part about this is you're going to be able to see what you're pre-qualified for without a hard inquiry. So if you're on the fence, if you're trying to get a gauge of how much you're going to be able to potentially get from PenFed, use this system, use this application, and within a matter of seconds, you're going to be able to see what PenFed could potentially offer you in this loan. If you're somebody that is looking to build their credit, remember I did videos on Navy Federal Pledge Loan about how we can do secured loans. You have that option here with PenFed where you can put up your own money, borrow against it. That way you can add an installment loan onto your credit profile. PenFed offers you that option. They offer personal lines of credit up to $25,000 with APRs as low as 5.99. They do offer auto loans. They offer loans up to $100,000. And here you can check out the calculator depending on if you already have a loan and you want to refinance with PenFed, because again, they offer a very competitive rate. This auto calculator here will give you a decent estimate as far as what your numbers will look like if you're looking to finance your car directly through PenFed, or if you already have an existing loan, which let's say maybe has a pretty crappy interest rate. You can refinance through PenFed, and then you'll be able to see how much you can save on a monthly basis going through PenFed. So you can see here they offer quite a few credit products. Another question that I saw quite a bit online, some people were asking, are you able to double dip when it comes to PenFed? So in this case, double dipping meaning if I go ahead and I apply for a loan or a credit card and I want to get a second credit card or a second loan, am I able to get more than one credit product off of one hard inquiry? So in preparation of this video, I went ahead and I called their branch office. I spoke to a rep, and I was told more times than not, you're going to be able to apply for more than one credit product at a time off of that one inquiry. However, that's not something that they can just guarantee. Every time you do a credit card application or a loan application, they're going to have to give you the disclosures of them being able to possibly check your credit. So you may be able to get away with multiple credit products off of one hard inquiry. Just know that this is not something that is 100% guaranteed. And then lastly, let's look at their credit card products. PenFed offers at this time 4 different credit card products. Unfortunately, at this time, they don't have any secured cards, but I do want to go over the cards that they do offer. The first one, we have the Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature. This is a 2% cash back on all purchases if you are an Honor Advantage member. Now let's jump back over to the website and let's look at what this Honor Advantage member is. So I'm back on the webpage. PenFed Honors Advantage Program. PenFed Honors Advantage provides you with a total of 2% cash back on all purchases. You receive all of the features and protection of the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa card with 1.5% cash back plus an additional 0.5%. This offer is as distinguished as our members, and it's an honor for us to provide this program to you. So you can see here, being a PenFed Honor Advantage member, you're going to get additional perks. You're going to get additional cash back. So now how do you qualify to become a member? It's very simple. This is another reason why I'm tipping my hat off to PenFed. The only thing that you have to do to qualify is one of two things. The first, you need to open or maintain an already existing checking account. And I already discussed this at the top of the video. You have 2 options for the checking account. You have the free one and you have their more premium. For the free checking account, all you have to do is fund that account with $25. If you want to get their higher level checking account, that's the one that you have to have $500 a month in either a maintained balance, or you need to have a minimum of $500 coming in every month with your direct deposit. That right there is going to get you to qualify for the PenFed Honors Advantage. Another thing that you can do is just be part of the military. So if you're active duty, reserve, honorably discharged, or retired, military members will receive 2% cash back upon completion of the card application. No other action is needed. So if you're military, technically speaking, you don't even need a checking account. You can just go ahead and apply for the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa, and then automatically you're going to get that 2% cash back. All right, so now I'm back over to the slide. We just talked about that 2% cash back. if you're an Honor Advantage member. If you're not going to be an Honor Advantage member, you're only going to be able to get 1.5% cash back on this card. $100 bonus statement credit when you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. And they are offering a 0% promo APR on balance transfers for 12 months. And this promotion right here is going to be valid through March 31st, 2022. So depending on when you're watching this video, this promotion may change. So always keep track of that. And also there's going to be a 3% fee on those balance transfers. The variable APR is going to be 14.99 to 17.99. And this card is going to have a $0 annual fee. The next card here is the Gold Visa card. This is going to be their low APR card. So think of this like the Navy Federal Platinum. This one is not going to have the bells and whistles, but this one is going to offer their lowest variable APR among all of their cards. $100 bonus statement credit when you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. And then they get 0% promo APR on balance transfers for 12 months. The variable APR on this card is going to be 7.49 up to 17.99, which is still pretty competitive for similar type of cards like this. And then once again, you're looking at $0 in annual fee. Next, we have the Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. This right here is going to be 5x points on gas paid at the pump, as well as the EV charging stations. For all those who have electrical vehicles, this is something that you can take advantage of. 3x points at supermarkets, restaurants, TV, radio, cable, streaming services. 1 times points on all other purchases. This one is going to have 15,000 bonus points when you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. And then we're still looking at that same 0% promo APR on balance transfers for 12 months. And then finally, we have the Pathfinder Rewards Visa Signature. This is going to be 4x on all travel categories for PenFed Honors Advantage members. If you're not an Honors Advantage member, you're going to be looking at 3x points on travel categories. And then everything else, you're looking at 1.5x on all purchases. And this one is going to have 50,000 bonus points when you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days. And we're also going to be looking at that same promo APR. The variable APR here is going to be 14.99 to 17.99. And this one is going to have a $95 annual fee. However, it will be waived if you are an Honor Advantage member. All right, so that is it. Hopefully you got a couple of gems from this video. Remember, you're going to get the competitive APY on the checkings and savings. You're going to have access to stated income loans. There are several credit card products that they offer. The one knock that I am seeing with PenFed is at the time of this recording, they don't offer any sort of business credit products. This is also the reason why I tell you guys to make sure that you sign up with multiple different credit unions, multiple different banks, because you may be able to take advantage of, let's say, a better checking account from PenFed, and then you may be able to get better, let's say, auto financing from another bank, or you may be able to get a business credit card from a different bank. So you don't always want to put all of your eggs in one basket. So take some time out to check out the website. Let me know if you're already a member of PenFed. Put down below some of the data points if you recently applied for any credit card products. And aside from that, I'm going to check you out in the next video. Have a blessed one. Peace.